Ghana for nyina so mechiamo na no pay me nkomo no e koma omampani John Dramani Mahama. Your Excellency, anopay Ghana for ena asoma me say me misa question back one am you bi. Na any say Ghana for nyina akohia to about 2024. Esan say ne ehunu say ban dada no ya bre no. And wo message ana wo de ba no eto Ghana for asumti ye toma massively, overwhelmingly ye endorse to become the president for the land for the next 4 years. And ne wacha eye mienua ne sa na wo kɔ ye animu a mienu no animu a na wo wei a wo kɔ wanim. So many things ni me bebre ho e kɔ yie ebi so wo ho a Ghana force ye misa questions en fama wo mo. Na any saying enema bebre wo ho a eda nipa Ghana fo akoma so eno no ogina so ede to aba. Eno nti se ye to aba wie na sa enipa ebisa questions se wo hu bosha wo share ye no se wo hu sunsunsanso a it is their right so maybe some questions eno no me dey asoma me ene Your Excellency me dey bisa we me ba cho yemie ya dwunu me ye ntie nsem no ye yentie nkomo no ye yenyi MPP ne NDC ne nto ho na yentie asem no emu aba no na me gidi ye se ye bete nkomo no ase na wo mpo waboa me se de be ye be boa ema o man na timi afa ne ntoma pa edi efra edi nkan. The Vice President echo interview ewo KSM kwakusinti misa ni program so na oka asem no tomakoma so in fact ma me asem oka ye no Vice President asem oka ye no me hu say one of the sensible response politician bia I am telling you that is how I see it. One of the sensible response a politician will give to a journalist on that question. I repeat, one of the sensible response. Yeah, politician bia edibema any journalist who asks such a question. Kwa kusinti misa a question bisa eno. Yentie na fe yemeto aso.
The way you were giving all kinds of listen, that's my response. We worked very, very hard at our manifesto. It took a number of years. Our methodology was demanding. And our presidential candidate then took the lead. He had a speak out tour, if you remember. Yeah. Poor man, going around the country, engaging people. We followed when we did the manifesto. People volunteered. And I want to use this medium to thank them. People flew into Accra. People drove. Just coming to share ideas on how we could reset our country. We didn't have money. Listen, it was a very, very good experience. But we all felt energized. We had a draft of a manifesto. We stepped out to campaign. Went everywhere. The people of Ghana were merciful. They voted for us for a reason. They voted massively, and we remain grateful. They didn't vote for us today to be talking about going or not going. They said we should come and solve the problems.
Okay, enti mami asem no o say Ghana for to aba ema aban say aban me solve problems. Na mpo abra na NDC ebon to ano omampani na oye candidate John Dramani Mahama ye His Excellency no oye candidate ofato no so etwa ekọ Ghana nyina hia ye etonsa efre empanifo nso so ema obehia ye gye won adwen ebinum fa aka ose na enye adwuma keto na da ena form but won mu biri won mogya ni sanse they had a task to handle no mu adwuma ye eno nti aban ti a oteso no enye se bia ekina ye beba na se ekina ye ma hwan na ekọ na hwan na eba na emom according to the Vice President ye were adwuma ye was ye yema Ghana for one of the sensible response a politician be a cafe no some somebody mama dia Ghana focus and mesom dia. Wow, mama, Eradin Shrao. Na sa asemi okaye na mijina so. And the coalition of unemployed graduates with disabilities. Wama koye a protest or ye chere e Flagstaff House. Wama chere se bosha aban ni share womo no e ya de a womo hu ano bosha bebre ne ya share womo a chere se womo hu ano. And now chere for so by say 5% base pay increase a ye say de bema chere for omo ko deprived communities no and also so omo hu hwe o make kan omo ho. Enti we ni agina so e dia kai president say president o share yem bo bebre your excellency. Now we see your short memory. And they o class asem ni tama ye nearby ho so. Say ye de mame je mensa ne indelible ink na tro. Ye tro to ho. Enti yentie the president John Dramani Mahama kan ye. Eye abra na ono so obo entoa no. Yentie eye ono so asem a o kan ye. Na entie de ono so e kan ye. Yentie we say. Well, me say no okay, tie.
Now we ojuma nipa we ejuma. Ye betimi aboa onu esidan. Na debia bosombia yetua oka, ne ate okakra. Ye benya companies bi. Na omone banks na yejuma. Enti se onim se wonyoma e ba, ubekwa ko hu omo. No ma bo bosia. Sabusia no the betia aban to on gapo hane etobia ewo ho na we contain na see ya no moyi e de akoto terminal one aban ni asembia.
We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers, and we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
So ya green say Koko na debia ya de kwa manone na yakoye nwejuma oho ne ya chocolate ne de abre no. Yes you abre ya pese factory na ya de ye koko no. Ya de ba bibia yidua koko no. We for no 15 ya beba be two borehole ho. Ne de polytank esi ho.
And I can assure you the price is going to be a very, very, very good price. So those of you who don't have cocoa farms, go and start looking for land.
Them is that in the first 120 days, we'll provide the seed money upfront for the Women's Development Bank. 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people.
And one of the things we'll do when we come back into office is to complete the 200 community day schools that we began.
The Agenda 111 hospitals they are building, I'll continue and finish them.
Your Excellency, brilliant your promises and our demand. But we want to remind you, Your Excellency, of these promises. You see a Kaiwo, you see the ultra coin names in a chia. A chadodo. Now Agenda 111 project Oman Penny Wabeka say abida dano etugu mudo ono sini nyina tentem je say be pressure aminta kando abeka bi ehu say no say wa abandon sa enisuade hu na say obeto aso yesrew Ghana for ewo gidie wo mu wa rehemu wo mu enu nti the expectation ewo high yesrew pa emro so and housing for public workers nanka a very brilliant idea. Now, so na yemisa sa church for public sector workers no sa ade bosha wo hye are you doing it and now what to one among po Your Excellency importers and now wo su freight forwarders they are crying but wo shebo come very brilliant and now automatic posting for teachers Your Excellency koko akuafo wo hye won bo emru su Your Excellency boreholes ni de I think it was very ambitious. And no dear, yeni hu asem kan. Emma Development Bank, Development Bank, no, Your Excellency, who can say the first 120 days. Ache, please, Your Excellency. Ache, and a 133 jobs, no, and also so for 24-hour economy, no, and no, even within your own party, they are calling for jobs. Your Excellency, please, Boshano, Yanka Kaya ho, na yan tentem, let's double up, Your Excellency, because you are resetting with a resetting agenda. And it that was so expectation, it was through your excellency. You cannot afford to fail us. Nana do danko akufado, people had expectation. Say enka obey any brave, but omu here anymore. Now meet omu expectation and you tell omu bufu no. Kai hunu say ubeko the next 2 years. Ubeko obi be diwa de obey ne nano and a betre ochina ni obey si wa 9. Amfo and a sharing to us. Your excellency. Community day schools no and what some was saying. And it's Ghana for yenina yembisa his excellency. Say Ghana for expectations. And it said the mame Jane Ekaye, Vice President Kaye no. All the members, all the appointees of the government, Mumwa, the president. Now be the parochial interest. And when never pay away, when you never quite pay ye, when you quite pay ye, when you quite pay ye, because Ghana for our expectations. I am not sure. Says when to fulfill all these promises are. The next 2 years, it doesn't matter who will go. It will never matter. A word to the wise is enough, Your Excellency. And you dear yes, now. Medawasipi. Aha Nhyira 104.5 and